Today, by special request, I will be making potato leek soup, and I also did a beet salad. So we've got a pan heating up. This soup is so simple and it's very low in calorie. It's a cream of potato and leek, but I didn't use any kind of cream whatsoever. I just used broth potatoes, scallions, salt, pepper, thyme, and garlic. All right, so I'm just gonna spray the pan, get it going. I'm gonna put some garlic in there and flavor, and the leeks. All right, JP actually spoke to you about washing the leeks. I really had to wash these a lot. All right, you can still see, even after I washed them again, and you know, I still notice in some of the leeks you can really get like a little bit of sand. So, you know, definitely separate them and clean them up.
And go over, a lot
keep
of
washing. If you need to soak them. I am going to put the leeks in now. And get them going. Yeah, I love leeks. So it's definitely the season for leeks. And this recipe is so simple, very easy. So I have here salt, pepper, and fresh thyme. So I'm going to add that in. A little bit more gumption. And like while that's sauteing, I'm going to quickly, I peeled some potatoes already early this morning. And I'm just going to cut them to around the same size. Okay. Yeah, this is so simple and it's such a great recipe to do. And it's filling and it has a lot of potassium. Did I get the wrong one? JP?
Yes, that's the one.
Yep.
Potatoes, lots of potassium. Remember, for potassium, it's very heart healthy. So it's one of the nutrients that we don't talk about it much, but you do need to have good sources, and good sources as like that: potatoes, avocados, good, bananas, great, baby spinach. Also, those are good sources of potassium. What they do is actually help muscles, but including the heart muscle. So that's why it's important to keep the blood pressure going. You need a combination of not only sodium, but it's also potassium. They kind of work against each other.
Okay, so I've chopped up these potatoes. I think this is enough. And I'm going to just chunk in. Okay. And then I'm going to add my broth. And I'm going to simmer that. Like, I'm going to bring it to the boil, then just like simmer it and let that cook down until the potatoes are soft. You see it's coming to a boil. And we're going to lid that. As soon as it starts boiling, I'm going to lid it. And it's going to take about, you know, until your potatoes are nice and soft, you can put a fork through them easily. Then you know that your soup is good to go. And then you just blend it. And you do not need the cream. Now, what I did, rather than adding cream, I have one that I previously made this morning. Let me just show you the consistency. You've got like pieces of potato in there. I blended it a little bit. I'm just going to blend it a little bit more. And you get that nice creamy. Now you can see the consistency. It's thick and creamy without that cream in it. Keeps it a lot healthier. And then at the end, you just put some chives on it. Here's one that I've done earlier. Okay, we just add a few chives to the top, fresh cut of chives. Also, I did a beet salad with tomatoes, cucumber, carrots. I've got some baby kale in there, lots of leafy greens, you know, to keep us healthy. The beets are very good for fiber, so they'll help you use the bathroom. The water of the week this week is cucumber and lemon. Okay, and that is my recipe for the week. The soup is delicious. Please try it.